Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the economic calendar, and as we can see that we have got some high impact news coming up, and during this last 2-3 days we have seen that market is especially Euro USD is more or less very much silent. There is not much volatility or movement in the market. Okay, and the main reason is that market is waiting for the big event, and the event is FOMC. Yes, today, my dear friends, I would like to request everyone that please be careful during the event, especially beginners, new traders. If possible, try to exit from all your open positions because market will be extremely volatile. And please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, so let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of DXY, and right now DXY is standing at 110.24. We all know that DXY is extremely bullish for the last couple of months, and the bullishness is still continuing. We were hoping that DXY would reverse from the 20 years high, but it didn't happen. Okay, so DXY is unstoppable, and to be honest, there is no proper strong resistance on the chart right now. DXY is an uptrend, clean uptrend. So during the event, the first possibility is that DXY will continue the uptrend. DXY will break the previous resistance here because this is just a previous high. We do not have any resistance, but DXY will continue the uptrend, breaking the previous high of 110.67, 110.70. Okay, and on the other hand, the second possibility is that during the event DXY will fail to go higher, and we may see some reversal from here. Keep in mind, this will be just a correction, temporary correction in the market, not a complete trend reversal. Trend reversal is a different thing. For a trend reversal, we need an inverted V pattern. Okay, in case if we see some few 2 or 3 red candles, that doesn't mean that this will be a trend reversal on DXY. Okay, but for today either DXY will break the previous high and go up, and we will see further fall on GBP USD, Euro USD, and on the other hand, if market reverses, do not consider it as a trend reversal, simply a correction, and you can look for intraday or day trading positions accordingly. Okay, not for swing trading purpose. Now let's open the chart of Euro Dollar. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and typical choppy market, very bad chart. Personally, I do not like this kind of chart. I personally prefer to avoid this kind of chart. But Euro USD is the most popular currency pair. People love Euro USD. Okay, so if you have any buy position right now, considering this as a support, if you have any buy position right now, no need to exit from the market. Be on the trade. Market is just respecting the support. Okay, market is respecting the support, but market is not going up because movement nahi hai market does not have the required strength right now. Okay, so during the event or after 4 hours, 6 hours, you may see some upside. Okay, during the European session or US session, but no need to exit right now as long as market is respecting the support. So the first possibility is, if market breaks this particular support here, the present support here, do not take any sell position right now, especially before the event. Okay, especially before FOMC. If market breaks also this support, do not consider any sell position because we have immediate support available at 0.9930. I have been speaking about this support. Okay, do not take any sell position. Okay, as long as market is maintaining these two levels, and if you already have a buy position, you can be on the trade. And if DXY starts flying again, and if market breaks this particular support here, 0.9930, you can go for a sell, because we all know that there is a high pressure going on, high selling pressure going on Euro USD, GBP USD for the last couple of months. Okay, so Euro USD may go down further as well. If Euro USD breaks this level, you can go for sell position. And on the other hand, if you already have a buy position at the support right now like this, okay, you can be on the trade, no need to exit. But yes, keep in mind that if your stop loss is hit, okay, no need to extend the stop loss, just accept the loss. Okay, accepting the loss is not a big deal. Okay, winning and losing are both part of the game. Okay, you simply need to know how to manage the position and how to manage the risk. This is it. Not much things to discuss today on the chart right now, because whenever there is a big event, big fundamental factors come up in the market, the technicals do not work. And right now we do not have any strong support or resistance also. In case there is a heavy fall in the market, okay, then we can expect the market to reverse from this support here. 0.9875 or 0.9880. If market shows heavy fall in the market, then we can expect Euro USD to reverse from here. If market comes down and bounces or reverses from this support, then definitely we can go for a buy position as well. And on the other hand, in case market shows a big green candle here, do not take any sell position immediately, because that can be a huge risk. Because if DXY forms three four green candles at a time, then yes, your sell position on Euro USD will be in big trouble. Again, I'll say, keep in mind that during the event, during this kind of situation, no technical levels work in the market. Whenever there is a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals always win. So please be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye-bye. Take care.